In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate a text string into columns using Google Sheets' Split Text to Columns feature. This is a really handy tool when you're handling data that's merged into a single cell, but needs to be divided into individual segments. Let's dive right in and get your data organized with just a few simple steps. First, before we get into the process, it's important to ensure that your data is consistently separated by a common string, such as a comma, colon, semicolon, or even a space. These separators are essential because they signal where one piece of data ends and another begins, allowing Google Sheets to accurately split the string into columns. If your data doesn't fit these standard separators, don't worry. You can even choose a custom separator that suits your needs. In this tutorial, I have a sheet where each cell contains both names and genders, and these are conveniently divided by spaces. So with our sheet set up, let's move on to the next step. Begin by selecting all the cells that contain the data you want to work with. Once selected, navigate to the top menu and click on Data. This will open a drop-down menu that offers several options, and from here you'll want to choose Split Text to Columns. As soon as you click this, a drop-down will materialize next to your selected cells, prompting you to pick the correct separator. This is a crucial step because choosing the right separator ensures your data splits correctly into the intended columns. Considering my data is separated by spaces, I'll go ahead and select the space option from the drop-down menu. But remember, if your data uses commas, semicolons, or any other delimiter, make sure to choose the corresponding option. And just like that, you'll see your data effortlessly split into new columns. It's a simple feature, but incredibly powerful in organizing your data efficiently. Now you can manipulate or analyze each part of your data separately without the hassle of doing it manually. That's essentially all there is to it. This Google Sheets feature provides a quick and efficient solution for breaking down complex information, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your analysis and decision-making process. Whether you're dealing with a large data set or just a handful of entries, this function can save you a significant amount of time and effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tricks for maximizing your productivity with Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.